Yeah. Èmi Ọmọanga Olújìmí Adékanlé Lìjọ̀ká. The President Jimmy Adékanlé Foundation, the CEO of Savannah News Now worldwide. Mo kí àbá mi àti Yemi, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò ní ìlú Ìkálẹ̀ o, mo máa kí yín o. Mo kàn fẹ́ fọ̀fọ̀ kan nípa ìtakò kan wọ́n àti ọwọ́ wọn Adéolú Adégbóyèga mẹ́ẹ̀má rí anyway, but ọjọ́ máa kálẹ̀ ọ̀gá ni. Ó jí òyìn mo fọ̀ nípa àwọn àbá wa. Ó mention orúkọ ńlá. General Bajowa, Rear Admiral Aduwo, Babajide Nayeju, ó jẹ́ ìtọ̀nà. Ó jí mo insult ńlá. First of all, me insult ńlá o. Àtọ̀ ọmọ mi no lé gan ọmọ adọ́mẹ́ ọmọ mi yẹ kó kéré jù 10 years ó lè mi bẹ́ sin iye tọ́ ó lè gbìn àmì pé dad it's not like that má dẹ̀ jókòó má dẹ̀ tó gbé o. Sometimes I sit to him má dẹ̀ so ọgbọ́n sí nípa ọjọ́ ro dẹ̀ sí nípa bóyá ti tó náyé no, but ọgbọ́n can come from anybody and ìmọ̀ràn lè wá from anybody. Having said that, first of all, I have no regret what I have said. I stand by it to any time, to any day. I stand by that. I'm gonna mention mo kun díẹ̀ káàtó àti àwọn other Ìkálẹ̀ leaders. Ó kun díẹ̀ káàtó. Because if they have done the needful, today Ìkálẹ̀ land will be more developed than where it is today. So I have no regrets whatsoever. About mommy, I'm not that kind of a lily liver. Anything I say, I stand by it. And that is it. And on the Ìkálẹ̀ nation development, I stand. No matter who is hot, I don't really care. I only care about the development of the Ìkálẹ̀ nation. And that is where I stand, Ìkálẹ̀ nation. And the Adeolu was for mo for ìyẹn pé nípa mẹ́ma nípa policy civil service mẹ́ma nípa. Is it not the same policy? Ó ní àwọn elédèmú èlò jẹ́mú gbé ara wọn òkè. Àwọn báwa ti ní ipò láti gòkè ipò. Bàbá fẹ́ ṣe ubi aka high under civil service policy. Policy kìí ní bottleneck the purview of civil service. But help say that issue of civil service will not come into existence. They will break it. And in law, in civil service, there is what you call lobbying. Lobbying is allowed. It's allowed. If that Omalue is qualified. That is it. But meanwhile, the same Adeolu contradicted. Because let me quote him what he said in his so-called journal. He said, unfortunately, the misfortune of power outage, power outage in Ìkálẹ̀ is a product of lack of purposeful leadership and synergy among stakeholders. I want to ask Mr. Adeolu, who are the stakeholders? If you want to call the first-class stakeholders in Ìkálẹ̀, these three people have mentioned as stakeholders. What step have they made? What have they done? They are in their various homes in Abuja, they are in Lagos, they are in London, they are everywhere. But in Ìkálẹ̀, Huna, anke ule nga call Ìkálẹ̀ community wa Ìkálẹ̀, anti pe PA nga bikini nga bamira drum dizu when they are staying 1 week in Ìkálẹ̀ land, una katanya from their mechanical generator. So they don't even care if the whole Ìkálẹ̀ land is in darkness. I don't want to be dragging issue with Abami because they are like my father. But Otomeke Sonny, who am I? Dagmolu of Ìkálẹ̀ land, General Bajowa, Ojina make in any circumstances. In any circumstances. Babajide Nayeju, Ojina make in anything. So also Rear Admiral Aduwo, Ojina make. So also Senator Elemogunwa, ó jìnnà mi gbé in anything. But òtítọ́ agbọ́dọ̀ ká fọ́. Òtítọ́ agbọ́dọ̀ ká fọ́. And why are we saying it? F4 so that àwọn generation títí wá àtàwọn tó wà ní between ní àwọn bá títí wá yìí àwọn tó ní wá and they learn a lesson from it to start helping ourselves. Adéolú mention pé ó ti pé àgbáyé máa ti mention bàbá ti help and the general and the brigadier general and the rear admiral and the commodore and the yìí and the lieutenant colonel. Adéolú, please mention names by names. Those people that have been helped by Jagmolo of Ikale land that you are procrastinating. Mention their name. General this, Brigadier this, Colonel this, Air Commodore this, Rear Kini this. Mention Orukonga. Don't be too blanket. Hey, dummy. Because I wept anytime I see the caliber of people that have sprung up from Ikale land and where we are today. We are Kalema, Babangida, Abacha, Buhari, Agaoma, Baba Wabajowani, Oma Jeuni ni military. Oma Jeuni ni military. If you are talking of civil service, clinical purview, bottlenecks, and procedure and whatever, I want to put it to you that go and ask the predecessors of Bawa Bajowa in their various offices to occupy in the military, out of military. What happened? So that leaders in the Ikale land. And I go back Boni and Yinga, one say one people take okay. Motivation governor of Gombe State in a general's office. Baba Bajowa was a permanent secretary, Federal Minister of Defense. A very strong position. Please, Adeolu, can you just mentioned how many Ikale people were engaged in the Ministry of Defense? Baba was powerful, very powerful. Okay, Ikale magbara baba ni, Baba Bajowa magbara ni, very powerful. How many? We should be telling ourselves the truth so that Ikale can change, so that our hem of affairs, our opportunity to be in leadership position, and it change from the normal norms. That's why I was talking about transfusion of Ikale blood. So then my me, I can't inbox me and send me message and boom me and say and watching me. I'm not bothered. I'm about my mommy, me bother gede. As long as I stand on the truth, me bother. It make of more bad me could jare for 4 years. 8 years ni Ondo State. Remember program radio joy ni public school every Thursday 10 o'clock to 11. Emire. I was fighting a sitting governor in the state and I was in the state. I don't know me sack banker. Yes, man, I sack mini bank now. And I said the reason why I was sacked. But after being sacked in the banking sector, I still came back into the banking sector. And I rose in the financial sector to become a regional head of financial institution in Nigeria. Before I left the financial institution, I was a regional head controlling Southwest. Before I left and joined politics. Up to tomorrow, the car, my official car I was using as a regional head of where I was working is still with me. I'm about my 2008 Corolla blue JAF number. That was my official car then. It's still with me. Before I left the shores of Nigeria. I've been traveling on vacations with my family before I decided to come and stay put in Canada. I've been traveling to many countries yearly on vacations, myself and my family. So it's not whether I was hungry or I was a failure. No, I wasn't. I came into politics, I spent my money and did everything. I have never gained anything politically, but I've been spending my money. And the color in me, we are strugglers. I have to come here and reposition myself again. And that's why I decided to open an outfit here in Canada, Savannah News Now, which is gaining ground and being accepted worldwide. I'm not a coward. So I don't have any regret on whatever I might have said. I mean, any regret you. If it comes to Ikale land, Ikale nation development, I don't have any regret, my brother. My own is Ikale nation must develop. My own is that if God uplifts you in Ikale nation, try and uplift others. Use your office to uplift others. That is just my grounds. So I thank everybody, and I'll continue to say the truth. Nothing but the truth. In all ramification, I thank God for my life. On one Luyimbo, they disbursed to be 2 million, 1.5 million for people back home. That shows you that the type of heart I have. Because I'm about to be Luyimbo, I'm like, we all work for all the penny we earn here. There's no free money abroad. But despite that, I mark some millions of naira as a succor to our people in the Ikale land. And many other people have been helping like that. And I'll continue to help. So, I don't know. Anybody can say anything they want to say, but I still stand by what I said. Let the generations, our own generation, change for the better. If you are talking about the stakeholders, who are the stakeholders? Those people, the same, they look Konaditarai. Ojuna Anikale, Oji Toripe, our stakeholders are purposeful because they don't have a good leadership, and our stakeholders, the synergy between our stakeholders, Kenoko. This is stakeholders in there. I'm mentioning the stakeholders in there. I want to buy one in Then the forefront, my mention on land now. So who are the stakeholders? They are the stakeholders. They are the stakeholders. Let's continue to say the truth and talk to ourselves. Ikale blood, we are the struggling type. But if we have a little push, we'll get there. Remember, the position you are is not permanent. Even the permanent secretary is not permanent. They are retired today. God bless the Ikale nation. God bless all the Kabis in the Ikale land. And God bless all the striving Ikale individuals worldwide, everywhere, in the US, in London, in everywhere. I say kudos to all of you. Because it's not easy. That is my grouse. And I'll continue to stand by that anytime, any day. Otitoye. Maka funny. It's better to die a warrior than to die a coward. Thank you very much. This is my message to my Ikale nation and to the good people of Ikale. But tomorrow you will know that I'm saying the truth. Bajowa, the social media sometimes they go, these are what we need to do. These people, look, Ikale people don't know the what of these people I'm mentioning. You don't know their words. If they come together to decide to uplift Ikale will be a nation. The same Adeolu sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ojo Prince, sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Kábíyèsí mo mẹ́nubà ní Ikale land o. Sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ààfin ọba o. We don't have any single ààfin ọba ní Ikale land. Mati mo ejoye uli e mo se ààfin ni. No. There's supposed to be ààfin palace in every of the cities in Ikale land. Oyeji Erebuja jile ne ààfin tie. Ààfin ààfin Erebuja. Oyeji Abodi jile ne ààfin Abodi. Esa ààfin tó bá yẹn o, ààfin Abodi. Oyeji Olófun jile ne ààfin Olófun. Oyeji Ahaba le ne ààfin Ahaba. Ọ̀nà bá fẹ́ jẹ ọba. Nílẹ̀ fọ̀ yìí, a kà kó lọ inú ààfin ni. Edigbo òfin lé yan gbé yan fẹ́ convert ibẹ̀. That is why you see Oni of Ife. You see Oba of Benin. You see Olukare. They all have their thing. And we can do that. We are building mansions everywhere. They are buying houses in London, buying houses in US, buying houses everywhere. Why can't we come together and Jagbe Ashawalaruge Nikale land? Why can't we come together? If we want to decide it, if every sons and daughters in all these communities come together, okay, they can do it. Say Kale say, Okutpa say ni, Abi Osoro say, Abaye say. But we choose to come back home. Agbe shinapu, agbe 1,000 we die pẹ̀lú bi àti se oba yan ni. Let's uplift our culture. This is where respect comes from. We don't have that. We neglect our KBCs. Omo KBC me ben una ni na fun. Okuku bribri. Omo petesika musika mo so afin. Omo ben ule ojiko enta fun. And you have sons and daughters who are having mansions everywhere in the whole world. How do you know? How do you want to know that you prosper? Who lay at money? Who lay at money go prosper now? Go to the north, go to even southwest here, and not buy. Afin supposed to be an office of that stool, not the home of the person that is in that stool. So, but I be on the moon. Oba ya ube ya ko wa ni be aga ni ngbo yi wo ba suju adejoku ngbo yi ojaja the thought abi whatever you wa be ko mo lo se bi afin na lo ni, because they have an ancestral home. We don't have one. May God help us in the Kale land. Thank you very much. Happy Sunday and God bless you all. I remain Jimmy Adekanle, a prince in the kingdom. Thank you.